No magic is stronger than sisterhood. Cast by fate, tested by time, and never broken.
What is wrong with you? Are you like 6? Are you 6?
Okay.
You need to get out there, Sal. Have a little fun. When was the last time you were touched?
I have my family, and I'm not receiving texts with photos that I did not ask for.
Oh, let me tell you about Chad.
Oh, we know
Truly,
plenty
you need
about
to-
Chad.
Come on.
Remember when Mom would tell us stories where everyone who fell in love died? You don't believe we're cursed? No.
We're Owen's women. Love is our undoing.
What if you guys were all just a little bit dramatic?
Here's the thing about magic. It won't be silenced.
Is this real? Is he gonna die?
It's true. We're witches and the curse is real.
I will never trust you again.
Kylie said she's gonna go and fix the curse.
This will lead her into the dark path. If you want to find her, you have to work together.
My blood, your blood.
Oh, her blood.
Jed said we could trust this guy. He's a scholar of the craft.
Is very strange to me.
He's under a spell.
Hand on unmarked flesh. Go now. Easier said than done, Jillian. Well, there's always.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you? I can't even sense her right now.
You're afraid of your power.
Well, I've seen what my power can do. The idea that they may have the same power terrifies me.
Must be the season of the must be the season of
When you have someone who knows who you were and who you will always be, there is no deeper tie, no stronger bond.
I want you to know if anything happens to me, Julie, it's you. You are my person.
must be the season of
Good morning.
Oh, good. You have your clothes on.